Hello, and welcome to this CogBI tutorial. In this video, we will go over data tables, pivot tables, and top and/or bottom lists. We'll start out with the simplest of the three, a data table. A data table simply outputs the raw data from your data source. No grouping, no adding, no accumulating, only the list of values. Just choose the fields you want to display, and that's it. Data tables can be useful when looking for a specific entry in your data. Using filters can be extremely helpful in this type of chart. For more on filters, make sure you watch our Filters video. If you maximize the chart, you'll be able to tap the headers for some options. You can search for a specific value in a column or even sort it. Let's find the next entry where the state is New York. Found it. Since our chart is sorted by state, we can now look at all the records for New York. Now let's sort it by region. There we go. All Midwest states are now at the top, followed by all of the regions in alphabetical order. That's it for data tables. Let's move on to pivot tables. Pivot tables are similar to data tables, but they allow us to group and accumulate certain columns. Let's create a pivot table that is similar to our previous data table. We'll add region and state to labels, and for this chart, we'll add amount to values. You'll notice that our data has been consolidated and that we are now able to see the sum of sales for each state. Similar to the data tables, we can sort columns. Let's sort by state. There we go. The states are now sorted alphabetically. Now let's sort by region. Note that now that we're sorting primarily by region, we have a secondary sort left over in the state column since we had sorted by that column earlier. If you tap in numerical columns, you will see two additional options, maximum and minimum. These will find the minimum value and the maximum value in this column. If that value exists more than once, it will take you to the next one. However, we'll just sort this column descendingly, and this will show us the best-selling states at the top and the worst-selling states at the bottom. Now the last of the three, top and/or bottom lists. Top and/or bottom lists are similar to pivot tables, the main difference being that your results are always sorted, and you can limit the number of results you get. Let's see an example. First, let's move these out of the way. Now we can add our top and/or bottom lists. We'll make a list for our best-selling states. We'll choose the same fields as in our pivot table, but at the bottom, we'll choose to only display the top 5 results. The results that we don't include, the excluded results, can be added together and shown at the bottom. Let's make sure that they are displayed. Here we go. Our top 5 states followed by the amount sold by the other 46. In case you were wondering, our data source includes the District of Columbia. Let's make a similar list, but for the worst 5 performing states. We can just duplicate this chart and edit it. Let's change the title. And then let's go to the bottom to edit the options. This time, we'll look at the bottom results and will not display the excluded results. Tap Done, and now our chart is showing us which were the lowest selling states of our stores. That concludes our tutorial on data tables, pivot tables, and top and/or bottom lists. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please visit cogbi.com/support.